Hello everybody, welcome to Brother Love in Haiti, and today is beach day. You know, we've been invited into Akaye. This is what we at right here, Akaye, and we have somebody's house actually, and they have property on the beach, and they invited us to enjoy the wonderful setting, which is the beach. Hopefully you like this. Press that like button, subscribe. What do you have to say, my brother?
Mon cher, nous là, on va réussir tout l'américain. So, you know, we're going to do this just to have fun. So, like I said, we're going to take you out of all the provinces. And this is actually Akaye. So,
Akaye, private beach, y'all. Private house, private beach. So, welcome to Haiti, y'all.
That's right, guys.
This is where you bring your jet skis at. This is where you bring all your joys at to just have fun. I'm gonna get my swim on today. So thank you for inviting me. Okay, y'all, we're here, private beach right here. This is where people own homes and they want to rest by the beach at. As you see, we got homes being built on the beach. This is private, y'all. This is where people live at. Come out here to retire next to the water. Somebody got their boat. Bringing it to y'all live and direct, y'all. Look at the clear waters, y'all. Hold on now. Smell the salt in the sea. Wade in the water. Yeah, wade in the water. Private, look at this. People just building their homes, y'all, coming out here to relax. This is a beautiful feeling, man. This is good, man. I like to see this for my country. Huh? Okay, and we here with this guy right here, y'all. Y'all know who he is.
Hello, my people. So this is still on the Akaye Road. All right. Well, this is a beautiful, beautiful private beach.
Okay, everybody. We going to the water, y'all. We going to the water. That's right. Look at this water, y'all. Yeah. Take y'all through it. You know, people enjoying life. This is what it is.
Yes.
Brother Love in Haiti, y'all. We out here, Haiti, next to the mountains in these waters. Some beautiful mountains. Get the mountains done. Okay, y'all. We're in the public beach of Haiti, y'all. This is the public beach of Haiti, y'all. Since we on the private beach, we decided to take a little boat, come out here, take a journey, and witness the public beach of Haiti. Public beach. So this don't cost you nothing to get in, y'all. This is actually free. And as you see, it's the same waters. So you can still enjoy yourself in the public beach, y'all, in Haiti. And we're actually in Akaye. This is one of the provinces that we chose today, y'all. People just bring their music, come out here and just chill, catch some sun, have a little fun. This is public, y'all. Public beach at Haiti. Bring your jet skis out here, your boats out here, and go see where that take you. Who knows? Go straight here and see where you in. People go where I came from, that way, to the private beach. But it all share the same coastlines I see. It just provide different amenities. You know? You got your private beach house. Get your private beach by yourself. Nobody around you. You come out here and just chill out with the people. Get some food. You know, some fish. Fresh out the water. That's what I'm about to have. Some poisson bouc on there. So fish off the grill, which is cool. And I'm out here on the beach, but when I might as well stop and get some sugar cane, which is a staple in the country of Haiti. So, sugar cane. Might as well get some sugar cane while I'm on the beach. You see, he's going to work. People just enjoying their time. Music, back here they got music somewhere. Everybody come out here to sell their products on the public beach. You know? He ain't touched my sugar cane not once. Cool. All right, we at the beach. We still at the public beach, y'all. And what we about to do next is get some coconuts. Oui, bon mon coco il m'a boire avec manger ti gâteau yo là dans lui. So I'm telling him I want a little coconut. I could drink the waters out of it. I could look it up, see the benefits of coconuts. So I'm about to drink the juice, and he's gonna give me some where I could actually eat some of the coconut itself. This guy walking around with a fresh crab in his hand. Okay, y'all. This is that right here. Fresh coconut. Oh. Fresh coconut on the public beach of Haiti. I'm enjoying myself a little bit. I'm actually staying here more than I'm staying at the private. Since this guy, there's some things I can find. What is the lobster this guy is trying to show him this? So, after I finish drinking my coconut, this is the next process. It came with a straw. I appreciate that. Okay. Vous parlez dans ça, madame?
Madame ne parle dans ça, non, deux, ça
So, okay, y'all, on my walkthroughs is the guy that's selling a giant lobster, and just fresh, straight out the water, y'all. Take it home and cook it, or give it to a chef. And I think it's cool, y'all. Man came out here, caught a lobster, nice lobster, and he want to sell it. You know, and if he don't sell it today, he take it home and put it in some water. And he got like 3 more lobsters in his bag. So lobster sa yo sorte gen nan bag wa. E jodi a ou kenbe yo, ou swa se bagay ou te kenbe lot jou pat van jodi a? Jodi a? So konbe ou kenbe jodi a? 6?
6 lobsters.
6? So he caught 6 lobsters today, y'all. So he get a chance to bring them home, let them cool in water, and do whatever he could do. But that's his way of getting money, man, selling people lobsters, man. So that's the Haiti rules, man. Gotta find a way to get on your grind. I really wish that I could buy these lobsters off this brother, just to let them know, like, yo, I support you, brother. I see you grinding and you good at what you do. Peace. All right. Hey, everybody. I'm here with a guy that caught a big lobster. I thought the other lobster was big, but this lobster's so big. Mes amis, comment vous avez fait comme ça, frère? $1,500. Combien de ça est? $100 American? So if you come to public beach in Haiti, you can get this right here for $100 American. Let's see on they get $50. They got still? No. You got this for $50? No. Well, you can't buy this for $50 because the American value of money went down. You know, so the American money went down. The people don't want American money no more. They want all goods, y'all. So $1,500?
Yeah, haïtien.
Combien comme ça il y a en américain?
7,600 good.
Combien ça? 7,000?
Yeah, en américain c'est $100.
So he's selling this for $100 in American. You know? Montez tout quoi pour yo ka ouais. Yeah. That's right. I like to see this, y'all. He grabbed it by the horn. Kilo kembe sa, Josia?
Yeah.
Man, nous bon, oui. Nan bateau kembe sa ou sa?
Yeah, no bateau in the boat.
Man, bon bagay. So tout le monde, non beach privé. I'm in a private beach. Mais et public beach, moi choisi pour me venir, pour me manger bon, poser, tendre une petite musique, n'importe musique moi voulais tendre avec à l'aise. So pas public beach, no. Don't be scared of public beach, y'all. I came to public beach even though I was at a private beach, just to be able to chill, listen to the music, and have options that stuff like this, y'all. So, brother love and Haiti, that's all I can say. And also, fellas, I want y'all to know y'all can get crabs too. Look at this, y'all. Big old crab. Vil. Bomweli. Jean Semblé. Bomweli Doli. I hope they don't attack me. And since I've been attacking, so you can buy this and cook it. I know a lot of people like crab meat, but this is organic, fresh from the waters, man. Fisherman got it himself. So I like to see stuff like this, man, because everybody trying to find a way to make a living out here, man. They don't stop. We need fishermen too. So these brothers doing a magnificent job, and I salute them, man. Brother Love in Haiti. Now we about to just eat. This is what you can find here in Haiti in the public beach, y'all. Then I go back to my breakfast spot.
Yo, what's up, my people? It's a fat. You know, we got a little poisson what's going in.
Yeah, and we like the bouillie because it tastes better.
Poisson always, you always gotta be on lookout just to fly, because you know we outdoors with it. You know what I'm saying? And you know how we do in Brother Love in Haiti. We show everything, we do good, we get good too.
Everybody, we back at the private beach, and this is actually where we gonna swim at. And right here, right now, look what we found, y'all. A starfish. Look at that, y'all. Live creatures out here. That's right, starfish. We have everything out here. Lobsters, starfish, fish, everything. Organic, natural. Now look at this sunset, y'all. Come on, get in here. Be able to see me well, but guess what? I'm bringing this inside the water when the sun is set.